Introduction: establishing a productive morning routine can significantly impact your day, fostering a sense of accomplishment and setting a positive tone. 1. Wake up early. Set a consistent wake-up time to establish a routine. 2. Mindfulness. Begin your day with a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation to set a positive tone. 3. Healthy breakfast. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast for sustained energy throughout the morning. 4. Task planning. List your tasks for the day, prioritize them, and set realistic goals. 5. Prioritize important tasks. Focus on the most crucial tasks first thing in the morning when your energy is high. 6. Physical activity. Incorporate a brief workout, stretching, or a brisk walk to boost your physical well-being. 7. Limit distractions. Minimize interruptions by silencing notifications and creating a dedicated work environment. 8. Structured work periods. Break your work into focused time blocks, like the Pomodoro technique, e.g., 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes break. By incorporating these steps into your morning routine, you can create a foundation for a productive and fulfilling day. Remember, consistency is key, so embrace these habits gradually and adjust them to suit your individual preferences. Here's to starting your mornings with purpose and setting the stage for success.